The problem appears, your heart starts pounding, and your first instinct is to just start typing like a maniac. You have to fight that urge. The most powerful thing you can do in that first minute is to stop, take a breath, and just think. And you use that pause to ask clarifying questions. Start probing the edge cases, asking things like, okay, so for this string problem, are uppercase and lowercase letters the same? Or what should happen if the input is empty? This does two amazing things at once. It makes sure you're solving the right problem, and it immediately shows the interviewer that you're careful and thoughtful. So before you write a single line of code, you talk through your plan. First, say the problem back to them in your own words, just to make sure you're on the same page. Then maybe mention a simple brute force way to solve it, and then you present your better, more optimal solution, and you talk about the trade-offs. This gets the interviewer nodding along before you've even started coding. And once you do start coding, you have to narrate everything. I mean, everything. Okay, I'm using a hash map here because I need that super fast O of 1 lookup. Or I'm going to write a little helper function here to keep my main logic clean. Remember, if you're silent, they have no idea what's going on. Your voice is the window into your thought process. And what if you get stuck? Because let's be real, it can happen. This is the moment that separates the good candidates from the great ones. Don't just sit there in a silent panic. Tell them what's tricky. Talk about the different ideas you're juggling in your head. Getting stuck is not a sign of failure. It's a chance to show them how you deal with a real challenge. And if they give you a hint, that's not a penalty. It's a test of how well you collaborate. Okay, the code is on the screen. Phew, but you're not done. Great candidates always check their work. Walk them through a simple example to show it works. Then, test it against an edge case, like an empty array or a null value. And for the grand finale, you confidently state the time and space complexity. It's a professional finish. So let's end on this thought. A technical interview isn't the final exam. It's just a milestone on a much longer journey of learning and growing. So whether you get the job or not, the real question is, what did you learn today, and how is it going to help you become an even better engineer tomorrow?